When you're buying a home in Huntington Beach or anywhere along Southern California coast, there's a hidden danger that gets missed far too often: the sewer line. It's not glamorous or expensive to do, but the sewer scoping can save you thousands. One simple inspection could be the difference between a smooth closing and a massive repair unexpected at the end. Let's say everything in the home looks great. The roof's in great condition, the kitchen and the curb appeal, everything's great. But what's underground? That's where the expensive problems live. Sewer lines in Huntington Beach and coastal communities are prone to issues like root intrusion, erosion, and collapse. Getting a sewer scope done during your inspection window allows you to uncover those problems in time to negotiate repairs, ask for credits, or walk away entirely if the costs are too high. Now, you might think newer construction in Huntington Beach is a safe bet, and in many ways it is, but that doesn't mean the sewer line is flawless. Builders can accidentally install the lines at sharp angles, or grades, or even crushed pipes. And if the line ties into an older lateral connection at the street connection, that section may still be deteriorated. That's why I recommend scoping every home, new or old, because even pristine homes can have hidden costly issues below ground. So, what is a sewer scope? It's a small camera that's inserted inside the sewer cleanout and guided through the line all the way to the street. It records everything: roots, cracks, bellies. In fact, there was once where we found a brick inside one of the sewer lines. It's one of the least expensive inspections you can do, typically a few $100, and yet it can reveal damage that could cost tens of thousands of dollars to repair. Thanks for tuning in. If you find this useful, it would mean a ton to us if you'd like this video or share it to somebody that you think could use it. And if you're new to the page, we post value-based real estate information right here, and we'd love to have you subscribe.